It looks like they're asleep.
Finally.
Potato Head, where are you going?
We're at a motel. I just want to check out the amenities. You know, the free stuff. Little soaps, shower caps, shampoo, conditioner.
Oh, I wouldn't go out there if I were you. The first to leave usually gets it.
Oh, Potato Head, don't leave the bag. A motel is one of the easiest places for a toy to get lost.
Oh, shut your worry hole. Nobody's going to get lost. Besides, I promised him I'd bring him back something nice.
Wait, where are you guys going?
We were just gonna check out the free stuff.
And if something does happen to the potato, I wouldn't want to miss it.
Oh, come on, guys. Let's all just stay in the bag. Oh, Buzz, I'll grab those guys. You get Potato Head.
Got it.
No, wait, don't go!
Don't worry, Jesse. I'll be right back.
Buzz! Guys, where are you?
Jesse, what's wrong? Are you okay?
Buzz, where is everybody?
Not to worry. We're all right here. See, there's Woody, Prickle Pants, Trixie, Rex. Wait, where's Potato Head?
And so it begins.
Prickle Pants, you're not helping.
I'm just saying it's quite common in these types of movies for one unsuspecting character to wander off and vanish.
Well, he couldn't have just disappeared.
Maybe this place is haunted.
What? It's haunted?
Of course not. Everybody knows ghosts aren't real.
Actually, according to my internet research...
Highly unlikely. There has to be a rational explanation. We need to break into groups of 2. Everyone keep an eye on your partner. If anything goes wrong, give a yell.
Ew, I stepped in something.
Wait a minute.
What is it?
Disgusting.
Well, were this a movie, I'd say it was slime from the creature's metamorphosis.
Yeah, well, whatever it is, Potato Head managed to step in it, leaving behind a trail of footprints. If we follow it, it should lead us right to it.
Hey, guys!
No, wait, Trixie, don't!
Trixie!